Honorable Deputy Governor, I'm really bad with this. Distinguished guests, all protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? We're here today to celebrate a milestone. And it means different things to different people. We have the e-filing system, we have the small court claim. But I stand here celebrating with a number of my partners over here, the launch of the SGBV Court. Because it means so much, not just to victims and survivors, but to civil society organizations that have been campaigning for the longest. So, Madam Chief Justice, thank you very much. I recognize that one of the reasons why this court is so important for us is because the judiciary has also taken great notice of the impact of the increasing rises of SGBV. But there's a statement also that is being made. That the message is that we're very serious about fighting sexual and gender-based violence, that we're very serious about addressing impunity, but most important, that we're very serious about ensuring that there's access to justice to survivors. Given the history and the challenges and barriers that a lot of victims and survivors have faced, we believe that this is a real milestone in ensuring that we make justice not just easier, but accessible. But also, it is important that we make survivors visible and that we make their voices known, so that when they speak, they know that there is somebody who is batting for them. So again, we say thank you. But I know that this launch is not just it, because there's still a lot of work to do. But I recognize, and so do my partners, that as partners, as stakeholders, as collaborators, we will continue to stand with the judiciary to ensure that we make this easier through capacity building, through whatever collaboration that's needed. Because having this court recognizes also the dynamics that is at play when we're dealing with issues around SGBV. We know that the safety and victims and accountability of survivors is important. So we know that this court would also, working with other institutions, strengthen mechanisms to protect and to ensure that justice is made not just easier, but also accessible. As a member of civil society sector, we want to be able to make a promise, because we have been there before with the judiciary, and we will continue to be with the judiciary. We recognize that we still have to strengthen our procedures. We recognize that there's still going to be need to ensure that those in charge of this court have the capacity and the wherewithal to do that. So I want to stand here and send a clear message. We're not going anywhere. We will continue to be here to ensure that we strengthen access to justice. My colleagues, because I was given a slot and I thought it was only proper that I share my slot with 3 other members. And so I would like to invite Simon Peter, Nancy, and I'd also like to invite Fida. Please come forward and just take your slotted time, because I know somebody's timing us. Thank you very much, and thank you once again, Honorable Chief Justice, for making this a wonderful day for victims, survivors, and for the sector as well.